Yeah, man. Boy, tired. For a man, I work. I paint place, I shoot, I edit, I do everything. I try to get everything done. You know what I mean? Glory be to the Most. I give thanks to life when down to the ground. This is Jamaica, right? And we love Jamaica. We fight for the betterment of Jamaica and preserve our talent because it's the only thing we have left. But anyway, we're not to talk about the front part of the movie. I appreciate everybody who watch and support Jamaican movie. Movie in general, but we are talking about one business where not start yet. We are fight for it. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, never do it. Never do it, no. You're too bad-minded. You're too bad-minded. Oh, you're so bad-minded. You're too bad-minded. Oh, you know how your friend make it. Oh, you know how your friend make it. Oh, you know how your friend catch it. You're too bad-minded. You're too bad-minded. You're too bad-minded. You alone, you want to be at kings. You alone, you want the girl them things. So you try, stop your breaking. You try be a stumbling block. You try shoot him with that Glock. You inform him to the cop. You're too bad-minded. Oh, you so bad-minded. Oh, you so bad-minded. You're too bad-minded. You're too bad-minded. Look ya, look ya. Life is a lesson, this a book ya. I hope you listen, this a look ya. I hope you listen, this a book ya. You're too bad-minded. Oh, you're so bad-minded. You're too bad-minded. Oh, you feel the way you're bending. Yeah, bad-minded. You a big old fraud. You're too bad-minded. Oh, you're so bad-minded. To where we a go from? To where we a go from? Devil was a boy. And now my future, you a try to destroy. Look out for you, give it your furry sheep. Buy enough things when you never know food to eat. Maybe even give you a house when you never have nowhere to sleep. No man prospect. More money for money, you a push up your peak. I shoulda shoot you before you speak. You're too bad-minded. Oh, you so bad-minded. You're too bad-minded. Oh, you so bad-minded. Get the ass out of me yard.
Come on. You go to your grandmother. Alright, so Candy come pick you up out the road and you go up, right?
Yeah, mommy.
And you do not give any trouble to grandma, because grandma whole and you can't take the botheration. Because see you go for cuss off my girlfriend. When you tell her, say, you can't cuss big people, you know? Big people lick you. Alright, and when they lick you, I can't take you off and lick wherever they lick you, here. You know, so she big and thick and she and your mouth for food. You should look up and look at her pop. You know, kiss your teeth off of big people. How is your face? Eh?
Yeah.
You don't like her?
No.
But she like your door. So anyway, mom, you come pick you up on the road and you go. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Well, go on. Yeah, man, me there, man. Me know say I want to look educated girl, you know? No, you're well educated and things. I want you to do something for me, though. Yeah, more you write up some documents to me. Yeah, like when you sell somebody house for them sign them signature or something. Yeah. Look up your man now if you do it and type up and then you print out and make me get it. Yeah, man, somebody may sell one place, you know? When? By later or tomorrow? Alright, just let me get it. Yeah, man, put the local part on the bottom where them can sign their signature on you or something. Alright. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, Candy. Yeah, me see you pick up your girl, so you don't have the time to talk, really. But what me I say to you still, sister, me know say you do things to me now. But try see if I can make a link for man. Yo, me tired of Jamaica now, man. I tell you. Love Jamaica, but me need to go over somewhere in the world go make money. Every try, me try. Come on, see me have a woman in yard, you know, and she eat enough, you know. And the money where you get paid in Jamaica, that's enough, you know. You understand? Please me, I beg you. My sister, figure out something, man. Try something. Yeah, man. You don't have to beat her, man. But you know, spank her if you have to spank her. Because you know I go. But if you don't have to beat her, because you know, boy, I don't know for you. Because my niece, you know, I'm not like her, is it? Alright. Alright, do that.
Alia. Alia.
You know, so now. Me I come pick you up back in the evening. You hear me say?
Yeah, but why mommy and daddy now?
Hello. I'll tell you something. You see what big people are doing? A big people business. Your mother and your dad and your father have them own issues where them a work out, right? So until then done work out where them a work out, you keep yourself out tight. Your father over there, you go and go link him in the evening, you carry your back, go make you go back to your mother. What me say you go do? Go and go link your father. Go on. Later.
Watch out. You know when you move and you know you see a word. You just want to write a signature on the paper here. Say you sell the land, the property to me and the house and everything. If you make no noise, you shoot you in your face. No, no, you said man, I not shoot you, just sign the name. Yeah, right, that's it. Yeah? Alright, thank you. Never tell us enough for this man. Yeah man, that I get for this man. Hello. Yeah man, we have a piece of work for you now. Yeah, I remember how to show me there stay. Yeah man, me have somebody now want a suitcase or more, you can't up the line, but that's for me. No man, the money show me just where you can't go far up on the center side there, so that's me in some bush. No worry yourself man, the money sure, just come pick up your body and carry go on. Alright. No man, you do everything I pull, nobody know there, just your body and a suitcase.
Okay, come for now. Yes, auntie. What you say to me? I don't know say I have a link for them boss the man. He out the door put up. I have to go ask him. Alright, I go ask him because he have a license, you know, and he license new. So I go ask him if he would drive one of them. Alright. Babes!
Trouble in Jamaica. Babe, you get to push on you know.
Babes,
Yeah.
but I talk to my family and they say like, oh, you have a license, you could get one of the school bus them for drive.
Oh, them have a link for high school, but some drive.
Yeah, man. If you can't pick them to school, set them morning.
Yeah, but now, I got to think about it here. Because my license new. And this a new license should match to a new bus. They are no new school bus.
They all, I think all bus them be.
But here but now, I got to think about it. But my thing say the right thing is, tell them to pull a string. Say me can get on a new school bus them to drive. You understand? Because remember say all things. Can me buy 2 whole car and I tell you, 2 of them park up. 2 of them park up. And I told them I do 10, make it 10 years, but one of them I do look a bit over 9 years. So, me I tell about all stuff. I don't. Tell your family them stuff not sorry for me. I do some painting here, I soon come.
Yes, sir. Alright. Auntie, no sir, you say you don't drive no old bus, you know. You said you rather you doing painting, you don't drive no old bus. And you just get your license and you don't want no old bus pack down the road with him, so that means you don't want it. Alright, me call you later. Alright.
So much trouble in Jamaica. So much trouble in Jamaica. I want them spinach and catch back up. I want with them what they just dead out. I want to put on a door here. But not today. I want them.
Yeah.
Well, look what me do a while ago. But I tell you, after I will shower, look how I still have to take off the shirt. So where are they at though?
Tired man.
Well, I tell you, I want to put in the AC, but I don't know where to go. Yo, the visa, you know? The visa I get. Not tell nobody, you know? Not tell nobody to get my visa, because right now, the way the country around is like a crab in a barrel country there now. You know what I mean? Or else not tell the family them. Because somebody look like they work science. And they know to spell my name, they write it down, because my name is so simple. You know why my mother never give me one long name? Like Rumpus, skin. So people can't really, you know? Not easy, but my name is so simple. They go write it on this and write it on that. So now tell them, because they go think, they know how I stay, you know. Them have an idea, say once me boss, your boss too, you know. You know, see how you swell up for you come down here. Then them must bad mind you. Me see one of your cousins when me have smart, you know, and act like a jump, she jump. I be a blink, I say she a blink around them. She just a blink around them and I look for me. And me know, so you never did see. One of the times she stretch her tongue, go straight on her ears can and swing it back round. And me not look for her. So me know, say them bad mind you, smart. They will try anything and they say, if you water the picture, maybe them can fall in. You know what I mean? So, that still. So don't tell nobody about that. So look come here, sweat. We don't want AC in there, you know.
You have to go here up and buy one.
If you get one, but it's so hard to finish this at one room, yeah. The country too hard, man. Cost of living, you think a boy feed you? The food in Jamaica too expensive. You see, you go on campaign one day, you know, and you get a $2,000, $3,000. But why $3,000 a day? As you come back and stop a shop, you buy one drinks. And you love smoke, you go buy one craving name. And when you buy the craving name, the money done. So, when you pick up yourself, so you have to go back again. Because look at that at the trainer now. Anyway, them have go, you jump up there and then if you want to go $5,000. Post it. Me see one girl jump off of one something over there and lick ground, you know. Me say if I want you the panic, do something and lick ground, you know. Me know, so you don't get up back, you know. Because it's like you're big and thick, and you that cracky road, and the road that crack you up too. And you that come here now with your broke up backside, in a bed, you can't do nothing. They tell you to turn back where you can't, go turn back and I skip up your blood. Listen me, if you, what want you do? Me nah stop your fans, say what you want to say, you know, and do what you want to do. But me I tell you, you know sit right with me. Because me see I run down the people them who don't like Rasta. You understand what I mean? And if I never like Rasta in the first place, then now go like Rasta in the last. Right? Me is a Rasta plus me is a maroon. How that? Me is one recognize about that.
Sound like your sister.
How that? Candy!
Alright, how much part you there?
Oh, no, you know something there in the back room, yeah.
Okay, alright. Me am come.
Ah.
I want to go to the private.
Nah, man, come through. I'm David, there a reason, you know?
Okay.
So we have to discuss
Oh,
things.
hi.
Hello.
Alright.
What I want? I don't know what I come off here, look at the kitchen. Just come here. And I cool off and look. Sister, give thanks. Because if I never for you, I couldn't move in the room here. See you buy paint here. You know? We can't get the paint on the place. I do a good job with it because I couldn't pay nobody to paint it. Because I paint it myself. Yeah, so. It look good. I want to look set it. I want AC and I don't stress you out. I want TV to not stress you out.
You buy them for you, don't worry yourself. Because I know not going for you. But anyway, I want a job me come to tell about. But I overseas, not in Jamaica.
For me?
For you, of course.
Talk to me
You have a
now.
passport?
Yeah. Mama, I have a visa. I have a visa. I can't tell my sister. Yeah,
Because your woman that they are not.
yeah, but me tell her, if you not tell nobody.
Okay.
Because don't tell your sister, if your cousin.
Oh,
because
okay.
me know they tan. So, yeah. I have a visa, man. The secretly we go get it. I'm not tell nobody. Because Bush have visa, me not to talk about it. Actually, I said something. Yeah, man, I have a
Yeah,
visa,
one
man.
company.
Yeah.
A big organization overseas I recruit some people to work on garbage truck.
We ready.
And money that you know man. And remember
Hello, me ready. Funny say foreign, me ready.
them pay good. Remember
Listen
them pay
now,
good.
I've been working here and can't buy a bicycle. Because as you get the $15,000 and you go
No, me hear say them put $1,000 upon you. I want to see 16, you know. Watch
at
out.
16 now.
Oh.
But me I talk about what I've been going through from recently.
Oh.
This is one and me am $15,000 a day. Me don't know how me survive it.
They show upon her.
Yes, she eat $15,000 per day.
I believe you can see 15,000 they show. Oh God.
And if it's a holiday, you know it's a $30,000.
I spend down 2 barrels for you know and something in the fair. And so you did tell me about
Sister-in-law,
she
look.
eat enough.
Yeah.
You put flour, rice, oil, all of them necessary things.
Yeah. She
You
love
know, you
ramen.
know, a foreign,
Yeah, she
but
love
you can't-
ramen too, you know.
You know, it's a foreign. So
Yeah.
you can't go put meat and then
No,
something.
no.
But whole heap of food kind in there. Because it's rough in Jamaica. I know before I left so I still know what things say.
So how when you go back now?
Oh, you know, so I soon left. I soon leave, but if you don't have as much money to buy a ticket, me buy it for you.
But you know, you see me? Me is a very ambitious person, you know.
I know.
And I mean say work and work and work. First time them Anya did couldn't move and you watch her. Say man now, be a work. Everywhere, I just work. So right now somebody can't go and work. Kinda cheap. But I'm gonna go get the job and go and put some things together. You have something
No,
to
no
get.
bother with it.
No.
In Jamaica you work for nothing.
No, me know. But listen up. This is the fact that you get the work, you know, I'm gonna go push out. You better me do something. That means I don't stress you alone. So I can buy $2 US myself and something to put up. You better me have $2 US. You buy the ticket, but me need to have like a packet change. For float you on. Thank you, man.
And you have to leave one money before.
I'll leave and look at money. When I said look at money a while ago, it's like you hurt her feelings. I know her from a woman.
How you say?
She like big money.
Me put one money for
Because what you know? Remember saying I'm do the 9 to 5, you know. But when 9 to 5 done, you have a little style, you know. When me I sell everything for the night time, you know. How what do you want boy try rob me, you know?
Yeah.
And we make him go on. You see night when we catch him a shot him 1 year, you know, now back, you can put on a mask, you know, and go and work for my
You
vice.
don't know who back
You don't know back man, no.
But you know who you win the thief from.
Yeah, you know, no, but a lesson, no. Me no mention thief is to him. Me just shot him a easy, and me have a mask. And then we have a little thing in my pocket, but I don't know real. And we hold the pan him and say, yo, give me what you have. Everything what you have, me take from him. You know, money pan him to you now, not share me, you know. Me take everyone else, run boy! Not till you see any ball catch him back. I just, you think I shot him, I'm going to say, you know, because I don't for them to know I was shot sound.
One lady wait for me at the road, then I cook.
No, me just reach out. I say, I don't work with the pan, but when next work can come up, it's like they tell me, where is it? Garbage truck.
Garbage
When we go up and
you
garbage
can't go over there go chat about no garbage truck in there.
Oh, garbage? Oh, your mama broke out. Bro, tell me what you said. Come on, say.
Don't break it out. Broke out certain
Yeah,
attitude
so
and
tell me the word now, what I should say.
garbage.
Garbage.
Garbage. No, you have
Garbage.
to tongue and say garbage.
Okay.
And it's dry like a one
Oh.
long word.
Yeah, but garbage.
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 Garbage truck.
I'm here to work on the
You
garbage
have to
shop.
say garbage
I'm
truck.
not
Because they
garbage.
don't know say you're Jamaican
Oh.
already, but you have to exaggerate on it.
Because we
Like the
can't
one.
say free, we don't say free language over there, right?
No, you can't talk your language anywhere
Yeah.
going anywhere.
Yeah,
You know, so
yeah.
you don't get everybody happy if you get it now.
Yeah, yeah.
If you proud of your country and proud of your... Oh, yeah,
Yes.
that's it.
Oh.
Yeah, but you know certain places where you go and you meet certain people where they don't understand you.
So,
you speak proper English.
There was a thing where when we small, but since I come back, why them not give talk to, you know. Is it true that some part in foreign, the street is paved with gold? I cannot go and pick up some gold on the road and come with the one does.
I won't tell you that then.
No, so I hear people talk.
Then is that liar. They lie.
No,
When you no left from your country, go other country, people will go there come back and tell you be foolishness and pack up your head and peer like which damn goal? Where? So now one country we not to why for a country road we in a goal and other country road in a goal. Now same land, a
I
bad
think
land.
close to me, I'm disappointed.
Like them I tell you, you know what some of them do too? They gone overseas for a long time. And them are making, you know,
But
and you
what
hold
furniture?
and they call them, you can't get one reference. Boy, fire. Now go on over here, you know, if I mean like your moon coming up and right now coming and then now come down and still over there. Because they don't want to open the gate. The gate ban them.
Oh, so
And hold on for the gate.
opportunities better over there.
Yes,
But not paved.
because it's not like I said, me not go discriminate my country. I love my country, but they know say the money no value anything. So if you make it little faster in a real life,
Yeah.
whereas if you have kids and your woman and your man and you want to build one little roof over your head to stop your rent, you better you go make it and come back. But no run off in another country.
Oh
then
no,
good
if you
for
want
me.
to know.
They hear me, they want
You
it.
know, you know.
I feel me, you come up
No,
and-
stop nice, man.
Oh.
When I go school, and then tell me to run, me walk. So I'm go find go run.
Okay.
I'm in a runner.
But I mind you, I come up and
Yes, so no,
Me a
nah,
receive
run. Listen now.
me I receive you.
Listen now.
Oh.
All them bad people tell me to run, and police tell me down, and sweat me down, and stand up, see me, and some stairs. But the run, boy, I'm saying run where? You can't run.
I'm tired, man, going
No,
now.
man.
I see, they're not even cook on me.
No, me no, sister.
Them must tell me something the other way.
Yeah, and the greatest news they get to I and I. Work, money, better.
And the poor one who can already come on and work
Yeah.
in their life,
So-
you can make she come.
So you think we can send money come here from?
Of course, through money from Western Union.
No, and
yeah.
she never take money, my man. What do you think about woman?
I don't think, yeah. Listen, me
You think she that take my money, man? No, man,
I
no,
don't tell
child.
me see her. But me want tell you something. Me a woman, she a woman. Not because me and her know nothing and you and my brother me go say, Ray, listen. You have some woman will take man money from overseas, my next one, but I know every woman stays up. You have really don't
You go take mama outside then. You go take my money, my man.
But even if you go do it, you wouldn't tell us to ask her no foolishness.
Why you think some people not tell you the truth?
No, because them in a real life, some people believe in a lie more
She
than.
not tell lie.
Brother, listen up.
She never tell me a lie
Some
yet.
people when you tell them lie, they believe you and think a truth. And when you tell them the truth, they say a lie they tell. So sometimes you
You ever tell me a
confused
lie
and
yet?
don't know what you say.
No.
You ever tell me a lie yet?
No.
She never tell me a lie.
Oh. Anyway, me must have more going.
Alright.
Alright.
Sister, bless you.
Yeah.
God walk with them.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
God bless you.
Alright, so take care of yourself.
God
yeah?
bless you, sister.
Alright.
Yeah, tell you, listen up. It's a good news.
Yes.
Coming bong. It's a good.
Listen, listen.
You feel like dance.
Listen now.
Me I tell you,
I feel
yeah.
like say sister.
You know how long me want bus way. Me have a visa and couldn't fly. But what I don't know, pan the
Yes.
plane win. Yes, no, babe. You don't have to. You see a bum man jump up and dance, you know.
You
And
say
yeah.
your sister don't like you do? Why your sister have to go time away if you go look garbage truck work on gear? Me not like it.
Listen up. Listen me. You see work, work. And by your sweat you shall eat bread. So working, listen up, is the honest work. It's the honest work. Remember say, you know, I tried the twanging, you know. And then we sorry for the people them and said, do not send your money come.
Why me not like the work where your sister come and get. Why never get one of them big top work? They like the bank, manager, all kind of work they will deal with big money. Them they work them me a talk about. Me not want no garbage truck. Me not want to work on no garbage truck, man. Me not like that.
Yeah, listen yourself. Yeah, listen yourself. Listen now. I work at honest money in Jamaica. You see them put me in the bank. Member say, them a lock up your money, you know. Cause me a take my money. If me a check off the money, I'll check me check. 1, 2, 3. I saw me a pack off money. So me know say them go lock me up and then fire me, then deport me same time. Not trust me with money. Alright? You think so me stay like most of the people them who get big position in our country and you don't know where the money gone. You wonder where part the money gone. Me? No give me no big position nice enough to go buy no paint for paint the building. Can me go tell you say for paint this a building yeah? A 100 million US and then we take $50 paint the building, the cheapest paint, and pay the people them look like nothing. Because this is how it's taught in this country. This is how they do it. So that's what I would do the same thing. So I want to get my work as simple. Me take up the garbage, me dash you away. Done. You give me money, me no want to see the temptation. The temptation make people become criminal. Just the fact that they see the money, them can't let it alone. It does, like you know, say, I'm going to take 1,000. I'm going to take 2,000. No, give me 100,000 then. No, better give me $1 million then. Give me $1 billion. That's how people grab money when they see access to money. That's human being nature. So me no want to put me in the position where me I will come so. Because if me see the money and me come so, then go lock me up.
Me not like the garbage.
You hear what me say now, woman? Do not, it's not what you like. It's what gonna make us better. If I go over there and do the work and get the US money and come back a yard, you know, me and tell you say yeah, drive, you know. I know, can my business go tell your family them no. Me say yes, me go take the work, you go, you listen now, me know why you think about it. Take it off of your brain. Take it off of your brain. Me say few people that keep rally. Go on a rally. Go on a rally, go swing yourself and get yourself enjoyment. Don't go pan on sound box. Go on a rally.
Look about something. You know, alright, you look about garbage truck work.
A garbage truck me I go walk pan, you can't stop me. Because I know you are providing, I'm the provider. And as the man in the house, and me I make the decision. And if I say I go work on the garbage truck, I make you better go sacrifice to you. And you're not going to know good until me get it done. You don't know good things. Oh God, tell them from country, but the country still not there. Now this a poor poverty country, you know, want to get better opportunity. You have to get half and nothing. But yo, but all for your family, I tell you to go drive all truck. All for your family.
Mommy. What go on? I'm there, man. Yeah, man, I go remember you tell me say I roast my family and I come out to nothing. Yeah, I buy one house and then you mean how? Me hustle and nigga hustle up some little money and buy a house and thing. Yeah, man, I know you're there to say you're proud of me. Remember say you only there cause me tell me say I come out to nothing auntie and all around. Yeah, I buy a house a nigga now or something. So I dem there now. No sir, I'm good. I still do my look hustling. Don't worry about me.
Stretch your paint down. I'm trying to buy more paint than how you come for now?
I was talking with my family then. And they tell me to come back to country.
You left and down here. Westmoreland, nigga. We part the opportunity soon. It soon come. You tell me stop with them color there now. Number 3 I want good number.
And that me come out. They say better me come back to country. More than there with a man we are going to work on garbage truck over foreign.
Hey, Ewa. This is Jamaica. And nothing now one year. Me have to figure out a way to make some money. Can't make your yard. You see me work here now? This is work here for left back some money. Now me see how I go over and now go start work up on the garbage truck, you know. My sister show me the 100 string, then go pull me up on the garbage truck and me know say me go can have a piece of money when I come back a yard.
Well, I don't really want to hide and go, that's why I can't tell you this, so maybe you don't see me later.
Oh, yeah, left eye. 2 I go work for a garbage truck. No work no better than no work. But in this time, I have no choice. You know, understand what I'm going to early now? In Jamaica. Do with that Jamaica. And I work the finest job. As long as a one man are running, the man go ensure say you don't get no money at all work this year. Mr. Teacher can't get a house to themselves. So if I have to go work, me not do nothing funny. Me just go make some garbage truck money. If you want left you know. Because you now use it, the family might tell you shit. They want you to run up and down to people who they love. And who they love, not love them. And Gina them, so go on. I will tell you, you go to work and come back. You want left to see your family. Because remember they never did it for you. Alright?
Yes.
So
as you said before, you're not see me later.
Oh, so this is goodbye?
Yes, goodbye.
Oh, so everything good, man. Everything good. True, me I go work for a garbage truck. You don't want me Tanya in a sufferation, right?
You just follow the family advice.
Yeah, family advice. Oh, cause your family want me go drive the old school bus there. I said, no. Post me a come down spiritual hill and the brake can't stop you. What me go do? But jump out and let school in the night. You're mad smart. Me nah take the walk. Me nah go drive them something. No. If it's a new bus, I would drive it. Me not driving that one. Alright, that's just my thing. So if you want go on.
Anyways, you come on.
Yeah, do your thing, man. Do your thing. I will survive, man. I will survive. Hope your family them go treat you good, cause them will go check you for a while. You go on. Fool. Go on, sister.
The sun hotty. Jesus
tell you.
God.
I'm going to tell you, man, when sun hot, I work hard, people still try to get it done.
You're going in the painting, man.
Yeah, man. You know, so they look at information you can come give me. They come and left next.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
How can I wonder that?
You say, me farm, build them. No one no man work for a garbage truck.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do the garbage truck work overseas. So you look a link with line up for me. Make sure she go back a country because if I'm number one car, we don't know man work. One garbage truck. So I tell her I have to go on. Because what they want me to do, they want me to go drive the old bus. Some people can see it and say no. Because if I'm then linked with certain people in a society, you know? I mean, they want to go drive all bus. So no.
Why?
Yeah man, so that you're done. You're done now.
You know what I'm saying?
What go on now with you?
You did I call your phone in car right now, I'm stressed out.
What stress you? Oh, one boy this you?
Why? How you want boy this me? You as my brother and I could have defend myself anyway. But you can tell you now.
What you said to me?
I tell her said you can tell.
What you said to me, Candy?
You know,
I want them, the man a reason, you know.
ain't gone real dead because the police them find the body in a bush. Gunshot wound all over him.
Where can they find him?
In a bush, me don't know which
Me don't hear
bush.
about nobody dead down here, so they don't say nobody not dead from when.
Hold on there now. And then they talk about they don't know who do it.
But when that happened?
I don't know. Them send some forensic thing and whatever to go happen as we see how long in dead in a bush cause.
A good while me not see him for
They
true, but
said
what
the day where they find him, another day they then dead, but them can't give account of the day.
they sure say him, man.
I him them in must know be the father.
How could I want to get himself in that?
You say me can't take off because it's stress off. I'm right now I'm be a pressure and I see if you go back overseas and me can't go, me have to stay up, take a funeral and this and that. Me don't know why you put yourself in, but sometimes some of we woman we not
So we
see
put them find him.
in a bush. Look how
But
Jamaica
which
been.
bush?
Me don't
Which
know
bush?
which bush. They never tell me. They said when I police them to come at my station. And when they get
I'm not them in a bush, you know. Because me a farm in all of them bush. Me a farm over Dosso. Me a farm over Yasso. Farm over Dosso. Farm around Dosso. So which bush? Mine don't know him, man. Mine don't know him.
and him, they don't show me picture.
You look on him, you go look on him body yet?
They don't go identify the body yet, but me see him picture. And me see the whole them with them looking at it.
You can't go back and walk today. No man, I'm virgin. You can't walk today. Over there, me have to play too loud in and I say, yo, come through, play too loud, then we can gamble money. And win the money and lose the money. And I not see him for them time and tell you, last time I showed you, that's something loud you play. To try to say we could have
You know why? You don't know if a problem in putting himself in a somebody grudge him.
But we not know if nobody grudge we.
We are not that.
Me nah know him nah have nothing we have get up people, we nah nothing. I think I'm going to work today. I think I'm going to work today. I forgot me I have a dream. You sure? Mama, you know what I need to do? You're my sister. You not tell me niece yet?
You not tell nobody?
Nobody tell her.
You not tell nobody?
Won't tell her where you go tell her, say no. Make them close the casket, you know, the funeral. Tell the niece, my niece, say, in father get opportunity and go over so and now come back for now. You're there America, but in there England. So I told family, no, she gonna grow with the man. So he said after when she big enough, we can bear the last. They tell her, so, oh, he never make it out on that. He never make it out. He go down on one ship and he never come back up with that. And then he will just rest it up. That means he have that grow with that something. You understand? You must always think say, his father do well. And you tell him say his father want him pass in this and him pass that, the father go proud, making him a motivation because we can't lose too much. We can't lose too much. May I tell you, me have to see first. Me have to see first.
Bro, I want a line that you tell me, but tell me big.
Well,
You tell me one big line.
you want to know, man?
How me go do this now?
Eh?
How me feel look at me one of that and tell me saying father they are England, me they America when I did the man day.
No, you don't want your daughter cry. You ball. You ball for your daughter, ball for yourself too. Do 1, 2 ball in a one. That means say she not be feel better than last.
I know me can't ball no more. My eye water dry up. I ball too much already.
Look at the world living now. Look at the world living now. No opportunity. Only one thing sure for you. Only one thing sure for you. You can't live a good life. I'm so glad you get to work for me now. Because if I have to work on the garbage truck to change my life, I go do it. Man, from one can run down where I go. But if you never find the opportunity, would I tell your box round and can't find nothing solid to deal with. We know so them don't work the play.
Your woman know where I go tell me about say. She not really agree with when me tell her say, okay, we work on the rubbish show. Then she
no,
see
no.
when it all benefit.
You see from yesterday when you come tell me, as you're gone, she did a murmur for herself.
But it all benefit her
and say your
same
sister. And say to me, no, say yes, your sister is gonna rate you. Why you never get a bank manager work over there for you? Why you never get this work for you? Why you never get that for you? Why you never make your work on play?
She's a hypocrite,
so
she knows say you can't do them the type
and
of work.
he knows say, me can't do them type of work there. Guys, them put me at the bank, me can't do all of the money. Me can't work for money that you take it. Then I have to lock me up, because me a push all money all over. Them, as me got first day, them a lock me up. We could have see millions in front of me and not take it. I who see millions and not take it. Man not take all money we didn't see. Man not take it. So me, how an idiot, you can't put in a bank for. Don't put me there. The whole of money gone. Anyway, we are straight for the park. We sit there now. We feel said, we can't do this to my brethren. I don't know if he's dead, so I not to want to feel no way yet. But me have to see him first. Which hospital then there? We part them pronounce the body. So me have to go down there. Me have buy a buckle of a street vibes rum and go down there. Yo, me hear you talk here. Me hear you talk. I'm not sure yet.
Alright. Hello. I want to talk to you. Come over here, son.
I work, I want to talk to you.
Did me brother meet you? I did tell him say you have a problem. Look how you look like a one nice girl with a one good heart. Me never know say I say your heart corrupt girl. You when me take for my sister-in-law, like seriously, you know sister, my brother suffer and he want help you out of certain situation because you tell him you want money for this and
Listen,
he can't turn Jamaica and make it. You're an idiot.
Listen.
Not tell me Phyllis, me
Me
not done
no want
talk
no man to go work on garbage truck.
so I'm to garbage truck a foreign
Me
nigga
no
go
want
work.
no man, we are going to work on garbage truck. Alright.
Listen.
I mean,
So,
fair
the people them will work on garbage truck. Them are a human being. And them a keep the place clean and them a get them good money. And a matter of fact, if you never know and a Jamaica him a do it is overseas and then pay good. And if you better for you in him life, you're going like a something I do bad.
And
I use same one no one
me I go about my business. Me don't say me no no man work on garbage truck. I hope you understand what me trying
No,
to
me
say.
can't understand because you know I suffer. And me I try help me one brother and you will tell him if you not go overseas go work on the garbage truck.
Me not tell him if you don't go over there.
So if
Me
you-
I leave. Me could never so bright if you tell him if you don't go over there. Me make sure say me I leave. As you can see,
So you're
I'm
going to
leaving.
mash up your relationship between you and your man just because he might go overseas go work on one garbage truck. So what happens to people who work on garbage truck?
Nothing happen to them.
They're ambitious same way like anybody else. And not everybody gets certificate
Me
and
have to go,
subject.
me have to go now. Bye-bye.
I pity you wanna know so the people that work on garbage truck get good money better than no somebody who sit down in an office under AC. You idiot. You as somebody I look for mine before go look what because dirty foot girl at one nail they ugly like a witch. Hi.
Hello.
I can talk to you a little bit please, me kinda hot, me not really want to come in the house.
Alright, come.
Yeah. You hear so the owner for the house dead? Yeah.
So God no.
Me I tell you.
Oh, me
Dead.
never know because when him sell me house.
Me not have to
me
say
not see
God
him
no.
back.
If why mother say something like that?
When him sell me the house, I don't see him back.
Yeah?
When him sell me the place, I don't see him
He
back.
sell you the house?
Yeah. He sell me house and then when he sell me house, I come move him, I see him back.
And you never know saying that?
I never know saying that. And now you tell me saying that.
Jesus, that's the problem. So the house sell and him dead.
Yeah, because him sell me the house.
And the house sell first, then him dead after.
To you talking because that's what the car.
But that's how you have to go because when him dead, he can't sell house.
Alright, if he sell me the house now, me like that after. So I don't know how it take place.
I don't understand. I don't understand. Me go down a station and the police then tell me say they find him body in a bush.
Find anybody in a bush.
Yes. Gunshot wound. Like, I don't know if somebody did.
shot him.
Yeah, I don't know if somebody did have some argument or something. I don't know. But they find anybody in a bush as me tell you. I don't know what was.
As me I say, never really know someone this and my condolence to you and the family. Just buy the house from them, can sell me the house like on Friday and then now we are telling me say
Wait then, so when you sell the house, you did sign up for any paper or anything, get any receipt or whatever?
yeah, sign up and something, sign up at the house for the property and so. So I don't know if I truly sell me the house, how people realize saying I have a piece of money then claim for it. You know people have a
It is so sad. No, me fit go back overseas and me can't go. Me can't go because him gone, me have to go stay here now. The people them want me to come back over to come work. Me can't go. Me have to stay here fit. Look about funeral, wake, all kind of thing. Whatever they want to call it, set up 9 whatever, me don't know. Me have to go buy food, get rum and all kind of something now and send out some message from my phone and sit make he friend them and he rest of family them when I know about him. Make they know what I want.
Well, you never know as me and say friends we used to.
And the police then say, them not find out who do it. Me not understand. No fingerprint, nothing. I don't understand what I'm going right now.
Somebody do a good job then. But anyway, just take it easy, yeah? I just life sometimes will come before all this stuff. Thank you.
Alright. I will go here now because I find me I walk from and the sun hot till me I sweat. So I have to walk with one bottle of water. Alright.
Your man a baby father this bad man. Eh? I'm glad he diss me still, because if he never diss me, I'm going to run a house and all. And I get him money and they just have to wait. But who can hear how you feel? So I'm glad he diss me in the house.
Eh?
What's going? You alright? What do you mean me not sound alright? You know them time I can't sound alright. You know you are going. Come over all I news them all over the world. So you know you are go down. No. Go up and CNN. The baby father dead girl. I don't know who killed him, I don't know what happened. So I can't go come up back to now. They no hit me, I not come up back here now, so I come back up already. I have to just stay at Jamaica and the start of what they call it, wake and funeral and everything. I have to go buy clothes and all kind of sitting and food to keep for the wake and everything. What you call it, set up or whatever some people call it, I don't know. Yes, girl. One if a kangaroo sitting there to go buy one if a sitting rum and all kind of something. Remember say a funeral, you know, and wake, so we have to go have food there after funeral then eat and whatever. And the wake they need food and all kind of something the same way. What if I spending have to go on and know? Me no know, you can't ask me that. Me no know. I don't know. Me no know who do it. And you don't know what happened. All the house they sell. They sell the house. The house sell and him dead. So I have no more baby father again. I don't know what go down. I don't know if he end up in a no problem, no mix up with nobody or in a no war or what you want to call it, no violence, nothing with nobody. I don't know. I say I never there here. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm not telling you, I ball too much. I ball till my eye then swell right now. I can't cry no more. That's why you see my voice sound so. My throat worse up. Yeah. Because I can't believe. My backside. Nobody know when them are go down. That's why you have to rejoice over what happened to a person. Because you don't know who next or what will happen to another person or to you. What is my downfall don't have to be your downfall, but everybody have their 10 o'clock. Yeah. Yes, girl, so the piece of land when me get for over estimate what? Let me tell you about the land now. The piece of land when me get for bury him pan. You know how much money me have to pay? And you can't just bury people so. No. Me never know why first me go bury somebody. You have to pay for it. Then you all have to go get death certificate and one pass it. Me never know that. When people dead, you get certificate for them. Eh? When people dead, they get dead certificate. Then they not dead. What them a do with certificate? What kind of subject they pass when they dead? I don't understand that. Here we are. And you have to pay how much money all kind of thing. Then God have how much land on earth where you should have get piece of land free to bury anybody, whether me, you, anybody. Because we all go part one day, you know, we just don't know when our time. We just have to make sure so we have a clean heart, pure heart, clean hand. Love one another and stop the violence. I don't know how I go down, you know, but I know say God not sleep. God not sleeping. And what goes around, come back around. And you ever hear people ever say, karma know everybody address? Karma not fi ask nobody for no question, to find out or seek out about nobody. Karma know everybody address. So, me no know what go down between whosoever and my baby father, cause he never sick. He not dead naturally, but everything good. Yeah, man. Yeah, me make you know where I'm going. Yeah. I can't believe saying I know me can't get it saying unalive. I swear. So I'm me alone I figure support. My daughter, you know. Yeah. I know now, father now. Yes, master. Yeah man, you can call me anytime. Me alright, so good. Later, you hear? Yeah. Me tired for ball, me can't ball no more. You know if you tell me to no ball and fi keep up this and fi get strength or whatever. What is to be have to be. You done that already when I do. Me just put out my best effort and do what me fi do. Alright, so look more here. Yeah. So me all sound what's up and say. Alright, later. What be done?
Hold up.
One of your friends for a long time, man.
You make
You
code
don't
now.
know advice?
You make code now.
Candy.
Alright.
Where are you busy? You tell your dog we can come.
Forward. You're alone.
Yeah, man. Come on here, so cause me afraid of your dog. Every time I come and fear yard, me can't manage fear style. You know, tell your dog them right now, dog biting people are holy for money. Anyway,
Yes, sir, go on.
you know what I'm saying? Maybe father dead. I don't know how one is stink out the road.
You know what's between me before we go further in our conversation. I hear your argument. You see me?
Me say stink out the road, but all the search me and search and a heart. Nobody still no want to tell me and it stink a road. How it stink a road and me can't hear? Why they no want to tell me?
So,
Me want to know if two men know say you're youth in the street and you know certain things, you know, and me are friend for a long time. Me are bridging like that, you know. You know, say the
you don't
little
want to
thing.
get up some information.
Yeah, man. The little thing me know you can get and get all the info them.
What's your name, man? I'm a real link for a longer time. You know what I'm not good. You know what I'm dealing with that juice money. When I say juice money, I'm not talking about 150 JMB.
Oh, yes, sir, man. You can give me a phone. No problem.
I said number yeah.
Yeah, man.
But WhatsApp it to you.
Alright,
See, I run the road and make an information reach you by next 24 hours. Like 40. That good.
I'm going to find you.
It will happen, man. I never look good. And when you get the money reach on the account, I move quicker. You only get it at 12 hours
No, man.
or 8.
You know what? Send it to my phone. I see him number me. I just send it. Send
You
it.
don't walk with no life check.
No. You don't want
You
to
take our
certain
car
amount.
machine to you.
No, listen. You don't walk with certain money for me. You
Alright.
have one naira now. Inside that.
Yeah, send it to you, man.
Or card. You just start there.
Remember, the quicker money reach, the
Hold
quicker
on. Don't do it
information.
now. Hold on. Because this is serious thing.
You know, so me a man find
Yeah, me get it.
information real quick.
Alright, you just get it. Alright, hold on.
Me a boy, anytime I swing my information, then you can't bother with your ears, you pop it and say. You never tell her nothing. You never sing, you never link about nothing. You never hear nothing from me.
Send. Check your phone.
Check my account. One of the kind of look little bit still, but
Oh, you good man. And when if they tell me, I'm sure say that the person they do it.
if you
They
see the
send
money,
some more from you.
next 8 hours you receive some information. I did hear 1 and 2 things already, you know, but you never link me and talk about the money, so you never show you.
Couldn't find a man you okay.
You know me always say, sometime I day after sometime I day after. But like we link me now, information life. I don't have some already, you know. I get some. So by next 8 hours, something reach you.
So you always be there.
They send me one extra beer money by next 5
No
hours.
problem, man. Just sort out it for me, please.
Alright, write me a look.
Urgent.
Alright.
Alright, thanks, sir. Come to do, come back on link here, we can't.
May short you.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
Like you have good news to give me up and you can't about.
Good news, you know.
Yeah?
You hear what you want to hear, but at the time, bad news. Because you are going on now. And I don't know if you know, call it closer because it's a bush of gates, you know. See if all the phone number record, because I don't trust nothing, you know. I don't know if you know a little short version, but a little short version. And he kind of trimming here low and call him Bob. You know him?
Of course I know him.
Who him to you? Or who him to your baby father?
My baby father rent him the place.
Jaja.
And my baby father house.
And the
So I'm a
information.
tenant there.
Okay. And the information, I mean you get a solid information. I'm not sure them not sure enough. Them very sure say I him. You see me? So you know we have to link if you want to go in a grave to like you before you know we have all of them in
What
there.
you say?
You have to just talk to me right away, you see me?
You owe you some money.
Yeah man.
I send it to your phone. Me deal with that man.
You deal with it?
Yeah man, me deal with
You
it.
sure you don't want a second?
No man, the good man, me can manage that. Me can handle that man.
Alright. Remember you know. I will tell you what I'm going.
No say I hear me here now.
Alright, I hear.
I hear me here. You know me come down already, I hear me here.
Alright, well, we have everything covered there.
Yeah man.
So just do what you do with the other little thing there.
Alright. Check that. Check your phone. You send the rest of money. I'll put that next thing on the thing. Because God knows me like how you do fast, quick and fast.
Yeah man, from the money right in there, I say money make people move in.
Yeah,
From the money right, we always move fast. Now me a hear from you.
No man, I hear from nobody. I dream and my grandmother tell me.
You're a good girl. You're a good
Yeah,
girl.
man. I don't know if everything sign and seed right now. So.
Alright
I
then.
dream, my grandmother dream me. And tell me say about
Alright.
it. I don't you.
That me like.
Me go deal with it myself. Don't worry yourself. And if me can't manage with your link.
Yeah, man,
whatever
I'll
you
get
want, so me
there.
can handle that. Thanks, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, big up yourself.
instructions someone. Yeah man, that's song that man. But you don't take it and tell them. Yeah man. But yeah, let's find a different girl that understand.
Bro!
What I can't do that?
Yeah, me I'm coming.
Yeah, come through. Come like you know, load up me now. For accident, but we don't see you forward. So I did it. What I want? No, no. Good news again or bad news? If I'm going to look for...
We're going there with father left. Give it. And he promised me one thing before he dead. When we fi use it and how we fi use it.
But remember, you know,
Where they?
we use it to take revenge for him already. Who kill him, they one of them dead with it. We put it one side.
Go on to fail. I'm gonna find out how we kill my baby father. Yeah man, I want to use. This thing is like a nightmare.
But I tell you how we're going to deal with it, man.
No man, you can't deal with this to me, bro. I have to do this myself because I can't sleep with the palm of my head. It's like a nightmare me I have because who do it? I can't believe. See I them do it.
How would we?
Same youth where you're in the place, man.
I'm sure, I'm tell your boyfriend, I'm telling your father.
Who was same?
I told him, say careful that you there, you know. I tell you when I'm going to the place, I said be careful. And he said, oh, you good. Same thing.
You know what I do? Force my baby father to sign his signature on the paper for the house as he do it so. He deal with it in case. But me hear it good out of road. Me hear from good source. Them they use they street smart and me know no line they tell. It's stinker road. So me have to go deal with this myself, my brother. You have to go give me it.
No move.
I need to dirt him. I need to dirt him myself. No jokes.
Be careful, you know, sis. Take it off for safety, you know.
I know about here, everything good.
I know what I'm going to do.
Yeah man, what? Me I live good life and now youth. What you mean? What you mean man, me dash real and not man, me murder that. But before me murder him, make him sign over the place to me say, yeah, me buy it for him and thing. And then after he sign, you know, yeah man, one headshot me give man, and give him a couple body shot and so. Yeah man, can't go dash him out, way now and bush over same time, one of them big bush place there. What? I live king life and I'm gonna have a whole house to myself. Yeah mad, I do my thing, I do it clean. No evidence, no nothing. Everything just gone. Yeah man. Why being bad is very good. So now you're saying bad, people have respect you. You understand? Yeah man, a badness make me can handle it big like. Life and no one thing. Yeah man. You know say me if you tell you the what. Yeah man, you so bad me up on them queer you know. Yeah man, somebody just get rid of him and just take your place from him and just make him sign 2 paper and then hand over things into me and them just shut that. Yeah, man. Alright, now, what you doing, you know? Alright, then. Oh, God.
Don't move. Get up. Get up. Don't speak until
Yeah, but no.
I ask you to shut the hell up. I not have to ask you no question if you do it. You don't know what this is all about. You know what you do. You know what you do.
So
You don't know me? Look at my face. You look different here.
Know you.
Me know you. And you know me. So you feel you can style my baby father.
No.
Eh?
No kill me.
Oi. Me no want no smiling on your face. Cause this a serious matter. My baby father gone down the drain through your greediness and your bad mind this way now. You're envious and you're very covetous. Eh? So to me never there. You feel so you can take over. What you feel like? Don't move me say. Boy, you kill me baby father and think you that really get away with it? When the paper them there, where you have for the house, give it to me. No! If you move another muscle from where you move, hey boy, make sure you not trick me in no car. If you move, me pull the trigger. Remember, say you can't escape tonight.
Okay, it's me give you for them. Okay.
You know what you just do?
Okay.
You know what you do?
Sorry.
Which part? You show me baby father. Which bush? Can me get info? So you dash him in a some bush or some far parish. Which part? Where the parish name?
Center.
What?
Center.
So you take me baby father from yes sir. This a house you when work so hard for. Sweat. Eh? How much people have to call my phone? We say then give money. Fi job and you have to get up all the time bed at night time and go work on people things. And you feel say you must just come and take his scotchery. Make sure you say this right. Else you're just dead. How for signature this? How for signature?
How for your husband's signature?
And baby father signature this, you know that means you threaten him and have him as a gun point and force him to do this, then you unalive him. Why? Let me tell you something. Say your last prayers. Class your hands. What me say if you do? Class your hands and close your eyes right now. Say your last prayers. Class your hands. Class your hands. Close your eyes and say your last prayers. How much check you put in on my baby father? That one you have to my baby father. Take that. Bro. Oh, bro,
Yeah, well, that's it.
just doing my work, you know.
Go put it back up. Alright. Well, yeah, now wash off here and go to sleep. Tomorrow we check if we go somewhere, go chill out, to go on river, go wash off the dirty evening. Alright?
Alright.
To the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. Give thanks to watch it to the end, you know what I mean? Leaving Jamaica for better. It's a story similar to a lot of people because a lot of people leave Jamaica and end up though million times better than if they were here working in the slavery that was designed for us. Not saying it's easy, different place, but the payment is better, right? People work 5-2 job, but you have to wonder, why is it so hard here in Jamaica? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So, and funny enough, who is in control, not facing the pressure of what's really going on, So they will justify why your living condition is very bad. And the more people them can general for sup up the slavery is the more people will suffer. So one of the things has happened to us is our value drop down very low, and till we don't know what we value our worth. So if I want to tell you, say, boy, I saw you go, you go say I saw you go. But I believe that this country is too talented for so much separation, right? The right things, people are not looking at the things them that do help us, and what was to be done and what is to be done now. So I'm not in the politics of life. I'm in betterment. You know what I mean? Not just pen and paper, but in liberty. I want my people them, all of the people them, to live good and live a good life. You know what I mean? Because work can't buy food, a slavery. And you find the people them who's doing a lot of work hungry within themselves, because them have put out a lot of work and they know they do a lot of work, but they don't have what's to show for the work they have put in. So even with movie, I put a lot of work into movie. Plenty people don't know because they don't see the work that it takes to do a movie. You know what I mean? And God bless me with a brain where can find stories out of the year. It's just natural for me to find a story. I not have to think about it to find it, because God just put it within I and I brain. And time to come, human being is gonna extinct themselves because them now preserve the value of individual, of what people can do with them natural gift, they not support it. You know what I mean? And as soon as you talk for your rights, some people get paid to come and bash you. So when they get paid to come and bash you, some people will think so, oh, they're telling the truth, but most people are getting paid to bash the person them who is bringing the truth forward. We're really suffering in Jamaica. And it's sad to say, you know what I mean? Because our name, our brand is too big to suffer. And by me saying this, I'm gonna get a lot of fight, you know what I mean? But somebody have to say it, you know what I mean? And if nobody now say it, why not me? I am fire. I should burn. You know what I mean? So we are born on fire for better liberty. And everybody know. So it's not a fairy tale. We are putting in the work to try and make movie a better in Jamaica. Without no resources. Nothing at all. We're just doing it raw. Jamaica. And true, we have a guideline. Some of the time you feel like you want to express yourself and you want vice, just like how a Peter Tosh would have said. You know Peter Tosh's favorite song. Oh, nah, say the next word, you don't know it. Some of the time in Jamaica you want to say that when you look around and see the system that's here. But nobody like to talk about it. Everybody wants to say, oh, we're living great. I don't see it though. The people them still in suffering. And you people try to say I'm calling them. I'm not calling for myself. I try acknowledge where we are. So if we're there so now, we need to make a step forward where we can do better. You know what I mean? So we're not too much talking today. Oh, see me I sell some camera here. Look upon them. I'm fun. You know what I mean? Because the camera is very important in time like these. We have technology, we have the internet. So if you're far away from your yard, and you want to see what go on in your yard, get one of them camera here. Them very cheap. Cheap camera. And it hook up to the internet. So you know where you're there. You're there at work, you're a security guard, you're there at work. So you have no time to watch who their yard. If nobody broke in the house, a thief out the TV, or a text out the cookie jar. You can say, oh, yo, what you do there? Because you can adapt that there too. Before you can talk to whoever did there. So, yo, what you do in my yard, sir? I'm not there, you know. Come out of my yard, man. Or you can have a dog sound where you can make it sound like two bad dog or somebody. Anyway, see camera them. Look on them. Like, share, subscribe. Do the right thing, man. We are fight for Jamaica and betterment. And I believe in Jamaica. You understand? A lot of us here want to be stars. You know what I mean? It's not everybody want to be a star. Some people want to be a spectator. You know what I mean? Which is right, because it's not everything more want to be a star in. You know what I mean? You know certain things, we left it to me a spectator to certain things. So my environment when I want to go in a movie really. You know what I mean? That's what I want to develop in Jamaica. Movie. We not go further than that. So try with music, but music too hard. Some load that to Cartel, Bob Marley them and the foundation was set already. Bounty Killer. There's so many names of people that paved the way for music. So I think they need to have something here for the youth them though, cause I think that they need to get back reggae. Reggae need to come back. You know what I mean? Because it's not one set of people live in Jamaica who want to listen to one set of music. I would like to listen to real, authentic reggae music. Because I'm a fan of that. Likewise, dancehall, I listen to all of them. Talent is a must, you know what I mean? Anyway, you don't must get tell me now, because I know some love chat some of the time. Alright. Anyway, do the right thing. Support the movement. We are push forward. Soon get better. But after it's a hard road. Because I living up here, so. You understand? I have to look at that I've sent back to school, so I have to deal with them things there. But me definitely go get a big camera because we have to go step up. You understand? We have to go do some real movie. We're different to go express ourselves more in the real Jamaican farmers. You know what I mean? We have to do some story now, but we have to hush them up and because they have a guideline. But time to come, we're going to have more than one place where you can watch movie. So you can watch a good one here, so you can watch a bad one. Because we have too much talent to stuck one place. Jamaica is not a one place thing. We have a lot of talent. Look on the Janko them a fly. Look at us. Yeah. What could that mean? Anyway, I'll buy 25. Let's go.